Hey everyone, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Just in time for Valentine's Day, I've got a new cheesecake recipe for you. You know me and my vegan cheesecake. It is my all-time pride and joy creation of all my vegan recipes. And this one's gonna have you like, I don't even know what, but Black Forest is my all-time favorite cake, and since we've already covered that one, I thought let's combine my two ultimate favorites into one amazing dessert. The Black Forest cheesecake just hit the scene, and I recently shared my recipe for Black Forest brownies too, so this entire dessert was a no-brainer. I mean, come on, Black Forest brownies and a Black Forest cheesecake? And just check out how easy it is to make all of this. My vegan cheesecake recipes are so incredibly simple, and as usual, all the links to the written printable recipe is going to be below this video in the box. So be sure to click through to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab everything that you're going to need to make this cheesecake. So yeah, basically just throw everything into a food processor and whiz it up. That's it. But this time I'm adding in cherries, duh, of course, it wouldn't be Black Forest without cherries. And I am using these canned cherries today, but you can easily sub in any cherries that you can find, whether it's fresh or a different brand of canned cherries, or even frozen will work too. So get the batter poured into a greased and parchment-lined cake pan. Yes, I use cake pans for my cheesecake, never springform. For more information about that, you definitely need to go check out my website. I have so much information over there about everything baking in general. Okay, back to this cheesecake. You are going to want to bake it in a water bath, and this is a gentler baking environment for cheesecakes, and it is what gives you that creamy, delicious texture. Alright, into the oven, preheated 350 degrees for an hour, and then it does have to cool for at least 4 hours or overnight, but the unmolding of my cheesecake recipes is a breeze. See what I mean? No need for the springform pan at all. And as you see, I kind of glued the brownie base onto this cheesecake with some ganache. And this part is totally optional, but I wanted to do like a thin coating of ganache so that I could then stick some chocolate shavings all around the sides of this cake too. And for the decor, I'm using this natural food color from Suncor Foods. Definitely not sponsored here, but Suncor Foods, if you're watching, hey, I'm your girl, hit me up, let's talk. The color and taste of adding just 1 teaspoon of this magical flour powder into my buttercream recipe, let me tell you, it almost stole the show away from this Black Forest cheesecake. But not really, because, like, seriously, look at this thing. Just look at this thing. If it is not pure art and love all mashed up together, I don't know what is. I'm not real sure how you guys feel about Valentine's Day, but either way, it doesn't really matter. Just go grab this recipe, make this cheesecake, and get all loving up with your bad self, because you are going to freak out when you taste this. Alright everyone, thanks so much for watching my video. Again, all the recipes are at gretchensveganbakery.com. I would love it if you go check it out, but before you do, I hope you will subscribe here to my channel for all the best vegan bakes on YouTube. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.